Alright, I want to give a quick update on the Hovercar Marketplace asset and show off some of its new features with Unreal Engine 5 and hopefully all future Unreal Engine versions. The first thing is the AI got updated and the stick to surface option, as you can see here of the hovercars, it works now and it allows you to go with very high velocity and like stick to a surface. Of course, it has its limitations. In this example, it even works on 90-degree angles, but it depends heavily on the speed. So you cannot go too fast or it will simply break. There are some other issues with like frame rate drops and whatnot, so don't overuse it. To make the car stick to an actor, you can just select the actor and give it an actor tag. And the tag to make it stick is just stick. And basically, you can do this manually, or if you have like a sub level with all the sticking actors, then you can assign this task to the level blueprint, for example. I needed to create a volume to unstick the cars, so I created two other volumes for changing the camera and for like activating the boost of the car. If you want to create your own volumes, for example, for checkpoints, you can just see how I do it using the hover system interface. And yeah, it should be pretty simple to understand, I hope. Else it's a good learning task. The hover car hasn't really changed. The stick to surface option was removed. I added basically the trace channel as a variable, and the only thing that really changed is the maximum speed, which determines the maximum speed now. Previously, like you had the acceleration and then like the physics damping and stuff, so you couldn't really know how fast your car would go, but now you can set the maximum speed. All other options have basically stayed the same. Yeah, I added a new showcase map to show off all those new cool features. And yeah, since many people have asked me about all kinds of different stuff, I just wanted to have like the most common things like solved here. And it's a really nice map. It's almost like a game by itself. Of course, I included the blueprints to create those track segments with blind meshes as well, but they are really basic, so it's nothing too special. You still have like the gimbal lock issue. I created the loops with a single trick of basically building it sideways and then adding some roll to the segments. But you probably want to set up your own stuff and not use this working on a project, but I mean, it's cool for testing and why not include it? I really hope you like the updates to this marketplace pack. Have fun, finish your projects, and remember it cannot only be used for arcade racing games. Okay, I'm out.